If you have ever seen a tall construction crane with a long horizontal arm, you might be surprised to know that some of these cranes can lift up to 100 tons of weight. The most interesting part is that this massive lifting power does not come from hydraulic pressure. Instead, the crane lifts heavy loads using a powerful electric motor and a cable system. As the trolley moves farther away from the center of the crane, along the long arm, the lifting capacity gradually decreases. This happens because the load creates more turning force, or torque, on the crane when it is farther from the center. Now imagine the height of these cranes. Some of them can reach up to 250 meters tall. At that height, the operator sitting inside the cabin can barely see the ground clearly. Because of this, cranes usually work with two operators. One operator stays on the ground and gives instructions using radio communication, while the second operator sits inside the crane cabin and executes those commands. You might wonder how such a tall crane is even built. At the beginning, a smaller mobile crane is used to assemble the tower crane up to a certain height. After that, the crane actually builds itself higher using a special climbing mechanism that adds new tower sections one by one. Another fascinating thing happens during strong winds or storms. Instead of locking the crane in place, the operator often leaves it in a free swing mode. This allows the crane to rotate freely and naturally align itself with the direction of the wind, which reduces stress on the structure and prevents damage. So the next time you see a giant construction crane, remember that behind its slow and steady movements is a combination of electric motors, steel cables, counterweights, and clever engineering that allows it to lift enormous loads, rotate smoothly, and even grow taller by itself.